Hi everybody, today we're going to be making Cornish hens in the Ninja Foodi Grill. These will be unstuffed. I'll be doing a future video on stuffed Cornish game hens in the future. Come on over and let's get started. So to start, we want to make sure the roasting pan is in and the screen is on the grill. Go ahead and close the lid. Your Ninja Foodi Grill is on. We're going to select roast. And today we're going to keep it on 375 and I'm going to hit start. And right now it's preheating. We have 2 Cornish game hens that we're working with today. We're also going to be, well, how we're going to season them, we're going to need some garlic, some lemon, some thyme, rosemary, pepper, and salt. And of course, a little bit of butter. Let me put this stuff off to the side. Let's start with the garlic first. We're just going to smash these and just take the coating off the garlic. The outer coating, just like that. And I'm thinking you're probably going to need like 2 per hen. You can use more if you want. I'll just put these off to the side. And there's a 4th one right there. What I like to do, I just like to smash them just a bit more. Just like that. Put those off to the side. Now the lemon, this is a big lemon. Those hens are small. It's going to take like 2 pieces of this lemon. Save that for another use. And I'm just going to cut these in half because, like I said, these game hens are quite small. And I am actually going to use the skin too, because there's a lot of oils in the end piece, just like that. Now on to the butter. This is our butter. We grab a spoon. So what I like to do is I like to season the butter. So what I'm going to do is take some thyme, maybe like a half a teaspoon. Going to take some rosemary, probably like a half a teaspoon, some black pepper, a little bit of salt. And what I like to do is just take a spoon. You want your butter somewhat softened. And you're just going to mix this butter together just like that. And you're basically making a compound butter. So that's all set to go. Everything is ready for these Cornish game hens. And you just heard the Ninja Foodi Grill. It's ready to receive the Cornish game hens, but we're not. So I'm going to take one of these guys. What I like to do, I forgot to tell you, you don't have to do this, but if you have it, it's a kitchen twine, butcher's twine that's made to be, you can cook with it. And I just make a little loop, wrap its little leg, just like that. But before we do that, I want to open this guy up and I'm going to season the inside of this Cornish game hen. Take some salt. We're just putting it inside the cavity. What you're going to do as well, you're going to grab some black pepper and just put it right down into the cavity. Same thing on both of them. We're going to take some of that thyme, put that in there. We're going to take some of that rosemary, place it right in there, grab some more, put it in there. Then we're going to take the lemon. You're going to grab 2 pieces plus a piece of that skin and just stuff them. Oh, and don't forget the garlic. I already put the garlic in there. Grab some garlic and the lemon. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to tie these little legs together. And the string is a bit too long, but that's fine. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. Like I said in my last video, where I had to tie a chicken up. I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. I should YouTube it to learn how to do it properly, but this always seems to work for me. If I can just find that end. There it is. And what I do is just tie this into a knot. And if you want, just cut that other piece off. Just like that. So that one's ready. Moving over to the next one. Make a little loop. Just like that. Put it around the leg. Bring the legs in together. Then what you want to do is take that knot and just tuck it under. And stick your finger under the skin. Try to get all the way back there. Stick your finger into the skin. We're going to do it on both of these. Now the Ninja Foodi Grill will hold up to 4 Cornish game hens, which is nice. And take some of that butter. And I like it under the skin because it goes ahead and bastes that Cornish game hen. Now once you touch this butter, you cannot use this butter for anything else. You must either use it all or throw it out. And this is how fast that these Cornish game hens can be made. Super, super quick. All right, let's use up the rest of the butter. Get that right in there. Pull the skin back a bit though before we do. You want it to look pretty. What we're also going to do, I tend to never spray the outside skin. There's an option here. You can go ahead and spray it with avocado oil if you want. I never do. But what I do, I just take some pepper, just go over the top. Grab some salt. And that's all I do. Let's go over to the grill. Okay, we're going to open the grill up. You're going to take these Cornish hens. We're going to start breast side up. And yes, we got some sizzle. Try to tuck those little wing tips into the thighs. I try to do the best I can. There we go. And you're going to take this other lovely Cornish game hen. We're going to see if we can separate them some because you want maximum brownage. And close the lid. So this automatically defaults to 15 minutes. And yes, I took time to wash my hands and whatnot. I'm going to increase this. I'm just going to increase it to 40 minutes. These usually get done in around 30 or 35 minutes, but I always go over just so the Ninja Foodi Grill does not shut off and I have to reset everything. You don't have to do this, but that's what I like to do. So I'm going to come back in probably like 15 minutes and check on these. Okay, so let's see, 10, 15. Can I do math? Yes. No, it's actually been 15, 20 minutes. So let's raise the top. Wow, these guys are looking good. I am gonna, I want to check the bottoms of these guys. Usually uh-oh, the skin came off. Usually I flip them. So what I'm gonna do right now, I am gonna flip them over because I just want a little color on their bottom side. And then what we're gonna do is flip them back over for the remainder. Just so we get a little color and caramelization, and yeah, we did rip a bit of the skin off. But they're coming along great, and before any more heat gets out, lower the top. So we have 18 minutes and 41 seconds left. So let's see. I'm going to flip these back over probably in 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so around 8 minutes has gone by. Let's look at them. Gorgeous. Let's turn these little devils over. I am going to... Whoa. All right. They look fantastic. I am going to turn them a bit, because I'm not sure if you noticed before that there's hot spots and cool spots with cooking with the oven. Well, that's with any oven. But now I'm going to, let me do a quick temp on these. That's most important right now. I hate to puncture the bird, but I am. All right, hold on. We are at 138. So I was going to increase the temperature, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep it on the 375 and we're going to continue. It still has 11 minutes and 31 seconds left. So these might be slightly larger than the last ones I've worked with. So it might need to cook for the 11 minutes. But we will come back in like 5 or 6 minutes and check on them. So we have 3 minutes and 35 seconds left. Raise the top. Look at these. Oh my God. They look so good. Let's tempt this one over here. Just curious to see what it is. Yeah, we got like 160. Let them cook for probably for the remainder amount of time. The carryover should bring these up to 165. A couple seconds left, and it's the end. And we're going to take these lovely birds right out of here and place them on that cutting board. There's one. Oh, beautiful. And here's the other one. And I think I'm going to keep these juices. I'm not going to do it today though, but I might turn this into gravy for like a future use. Oh, yeah, people. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Time for that taste test. Look at this gorgeous, super moist, super quick. So this took almost between, oh my God, I forgot. Almost 40 minutes. I let it cook for the 40 minutes. These birds must have been bigger or larger than the last ones I purchased. That took 30 to 35 minutes. Taste test. Look at this. This is awesome. It's super. You can taste the thyme, oh, especially the thyme. I love thyme. The skin isn't the best because it's been sitting in moisture, but these are delicious. Stay tuned for a future video where I stuff these little guys. Well, not these, new ones. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell, please. And stay tuned for more videos. Join the Facebook group. I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much.